What's up, you guys? My name is Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be revealing my daughter Willow's bedroom. She is 5.5. We've been working on this space together for the last, 4 months or so. And I feel like this space is always going to be evolving, and that's why I haven't shared it really here on YouTube. I've shared clips on Instagram, but I always wanted it to be like the final room reveal for YouTube, but she's 5.5. Her interests are going to be changing. A lot of things in the room are going to be changing as she gets older. So I thought, why not just reveal it right now, and we can always do updates as we go. And you guys, I am so excited how this space turned out. I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit with this space, went with not a lot, but I went with some color. I played with a lot of patterns, and I'm just so happy how it looks. I would be so excited if this was my bedroom as a kid.
All right, you guys, now let's get to lime washing. I've been itching to lime wash something in my house for the longest time, and here we go. So I went with the company Makeover. What I loved about them is they allow you to color match. So you can color match Benjamin Moore colors, Sherwin-Williams, and they can make it into those paint colors. So I thought that was super cool. I was having the hardest time trying to find the most perfect pink. So it was amazing that I was able to go to the store, pick the samples, find the color that I want, and then turn it into lime wash.
I ended up getting this beautiful light for her room. She wanted something sparkly, and I saw this one on Pottery Barn that was way too expensive for a 5-year-old's room. So I actually found this one at Lowe's for way less, probably for the amount of tax the Pottery Barn one would have cost, and it almost looks the exact same, and she's obsessed with it.
I decided to lime wash the whole room, which is also known as color drenching, and I feel like that really does make such a difference in the space. It just really helps tie everything together and draw your eye up. I definitely wouldn't consider myself a lime washing expert. This was my first time, and I just watched tons of YouTube videos, but what I saw over and over again is that people dip a small amount of lime wash on the brush and just start making X's in a cloud-like shape, and then you connect the cloud when you dip it back in again.
Okay.
Honestly, so easy. Even Willow was able to do it.
Good job. Okay, and then keep going like this. Good, now fluff it out into the other side. I want to show you these curtain rods that I found at HomeGoods that has the cute little bow at the end. I am obsessed. Like this curtain rod, it's gonna be so cute. And when it came to the curtains, I knew that this was another opportunity to bring in patterns, so I went with these florals. And what I loved the most is that the pink in the flower matched the wall color to perfection. I found the cutest wallpaper, and when I saw it, I knew that I needed to use it somewhere. At first I was gonna do it on the ceiling, but I get tired of everything so fast, so I thought this would be perfect in her closet. And you guys, let me show you how cute this is. Look how cute this wallpaper is. And it matches the wall color so good. We love it.
So while the lime wash is drying in the bedroom, I went ahead and started hanging the wallpaper in the closet. I don't know, I just came up with this really crazy idea that I wanted her closet to be super cute as well. And when I saw this wallpaper, I thought it went so perfectly with the pink in the room. And this was actually my first time using traditional wallpaper, the one with the paste. And I actually felt like it was really easy. I did the whole closet, including the ceiling, by myself. It took me probably about 3 hours to do.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who was sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence.
You know what? We're not going to stop there. We're also going to color match the minty green that's in the wallpaper because you know what? Why not? I decided that I was going to incorporate this beautiful green because I really loved it in the wallpaper. I then found these scallops and I decided to paint them the minty green and hang them over her closet coat rack, if that's what you want to call it. I just thought it was the cutest, most feminine, girly little kid touch, and I loved how it turned out so much. Now it's time to reveal Willow's closet. We also kept the scallop trend going and brought it in on the rug, and I love this green rug to help tie everything together. I then picked this bed up off a marketplace for free. That's right, she was actually black, and I painted her this beautiful creamy white. I believe it's called duck white. I told you we were playing with patterns in this room, so I ended up using this striped duvet, which I love that it was like a neutral color. It's actually like a cream color, but I really feel like it helped tie in the pink walls. It was almost very similar in color.
Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing.
Now to add in some little styling pieces, my most favorite part of any room makeover. Willow is beyond obsessed with cheetahs, so we're going to add another print and add this little throw to the end of the bed, and now my dresser, or Willow's dresser, has arrived. Here we are trying to game plan how we're going to get the dresser upstairs because you guys, it is a lot bigger than I thought. I guess that's kind of the downside or the plus side of ordering something online is you can't really see it in person, but I am so obsessed with this piece, you guys. Like, I almost feel like I got it for free because the price was so good for how much these dressers go for. And Jess Chris showing off, saying that he doesn't need my help, and clearly he is right. And also, how sexy. And also, please disregard the unfinished entryway. I cannot wait to show it to you guys when it is in all of its glory, but today is not the day. And here's my little sidekick who loves to help. This is like the best age, 5. I just love it so much. So of course I did nonetheless then girl math measurements when I was ordering this piece. In the first place that I originally wanted, it does not fit. So we are going to have to improvise. And you know what? That's okay because it is just as good. So girl math still for the win. All right, now let's add the final touches to the space to really pull it all together. I ended up adding a little stool next to Willow's bed because I'm a labor and delivery nurse, and a lot of patients, when they receive flowers in the hospital, they actually leave them. So I started this tradition where I bring them home to her and put them in her room every night that they're available. It's just kind of become our thing, and I can never design a space without adding real greenery to my space. But you guys, that's it. Let's see Willow's room in 3, 2, 1.
guys, that is it for Willow's room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you see something that you like in the video, it is probably linked down in the description bar. If not, send me a message and I will do my best to try to find it. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.